In this magical tale, Ella Moonstone discovers a forgotten legend about a mythical creature called the Stardust Phoenix, a bird made entirely of shimmering stardust with the power to control the night sky. When the stars begin to disappear one by one, leaving the world in perpetual twilight, Ella knows she must act quickly. Guided by her wise owl companion Orin, Ella embarks on a perilous journey to find the elusive Stardust Phoenix and convince it to restore the stars to their rightful place. Along the way, Ella faces mysterious challenges, from navigating the treacherous Shadowlands to outsmarting a mischievous group of star thieves. With her bravery, magic, and the help of new friends she meets along the way, Ella learns that the true power of the Stardust Phoenix is not just in its ability to shine, but in its capacity to bring light to the darkest corners of the world. As Ella confronts the final challenge, she discovers that the fate of the Phoenix is closely tied to her own, leading to a heartwarming conclusion where friendship and courage light up the night sky once again. This enchanting adventure teaches young readers about the importance of perseverance, teamwork, and believing in the impossible.